Hi guys, if you watch my previous video about tires, I fixed my rear tires. We had a puncture and I used the repair kit and fix it and film it to remind you and show you how it works. I do recommend to do it if you never did it in your life. If you never fixed a tire with a kit, do it, because by the time you will need to do it, if you're on the side of the road on a rainy day, you will regret to not have the experience, and it's a good thing to learn. There is few tricks about it, so check the video if it's not done. And yeah, so otherwise, when I did that, I booked with my mechanic to get a proper repair from inside the tire. Then when I repair my tires and have a closer look, I find out that my tires was not really good anyway, and the front one was gone. I knew it would need to be replaced. So I went to the mechanic and they have exactly the same opinion. So they kindly contacted me and I agree with them, and they replaced both tires, the front and rear. Previously, this set of tires are some Michelin Road 6 GT, which are very well recommended for GT motorbike, for a bike who do some mileage. They've got an excellent grip. Obviously right now they are brand new, and it gives a strange feeling after having some tires who have been almost run out, and they were not slick, obviously. But if you this part on the tire, when it's gone, because you lean the bike, when it's gone, the bike leans very easily because you've got sort of very little curve here. Then when they are new, you've got an excellent grip, and when you move the motorbike, especially the steering wheel, you can feel some sort of difficulty to move a little bit the handlebar. But yeah, at the end of the day, I'm pretty pleased with the change. I will ride the bike in the next few days for a longer streak, and I will give you my feedback. But I already like it, and they look absolutely gorgeous. I love them. I love the design of the tire itself, and they look beefy. I don't know if it's because they are new, but yeah, they look serious business. I'm pretty happy with that. So yeah, so the bike is ready to go for a better ride. I need to work for a couple of days with the bike, but after this I will do a good trip somewhere, and we'll film all of this. Obviously it will be a nice video for you to watch a little later. Alright? The weather is actually fantastic here in Victoria. It's around 20 degrees, blue sky, a little bit of wind, but very nice. It's a bit cold in the morning, a bit chilly early in the morning, but it came nice after all the day. And I think for the next few days we're going up in temperature from 20 something to almost 30 degrees by the end of the week. So we are good, and we still have some pretty good rides to do. Thank you very much for watching, and see you later guys. So as I mentioned previously, I plan to do a long ride with the bike to see how the tire's going. However, I haven't been able to do that, so I did a short trip nearby, but still feel a huge difference on the grip of the bike, and especially when you're going in a curve or reach a roundabout. It's amazing. It's a big change. I really recommend to replace your tires per this Michelin. They are fantastic. So stay tuned. I will do another video soon as possible with my experience on the road. Thank you. Bye bye.